Say it's a 58. We've been working on it. We've got a big crack right here. Can you see the crack? So that's what we want to see, not me.
Let me see. Oh, yep.
So we're got some epoxy mixed up here. Over here, see where I'm working?
Mm-hmm.
I've already cleaned these joints out here. I separated them a little bit. I got some 80 grit paper in there.
A lot of repair on these radios sometimes.
You got that one right. Don't you know it because you've been working on it all day with me.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'm using a pair of pliers here just to kind of push it out of place so I can get up in there. I don't want the glue dripping all over the cabinet because pretty much both sides are already prepped and fixed and sanded. Okay. Should be good for the glue. And show that one side we just fixed, Andy. Show that burr up in there. Want to tell them about that?
You tell them about it.
I'm over here working on this.
Well, this burl veneer was all cracked up, and we pried it apart a little bit and put some glue down in there.
Looks good, nice and tight now. It was all loose and chipped up and everything.
Yep.
Okay, come on back over here. Let's see if we can get this. So, it's a 5-minute setup time on this, so I'm gonna try to work on this fairly quick. Putting this here, I'm gonna try and get this. There we go. It looks like that's pushing something out. Earlier today, I glued my finger with a razor blade right there, fixing this over here with my repaired glue. So we just want to get this one now. See if we can get a. Come on this side, honey. Feels pretty good right there. You know what I do with that thinner I had? There it is. Take a little lacquer thinner on here to try to clean up that excess glue. Let's show them over here, see how pretty this is going to be. That was somebody else's patch. I'm not going to dig that out. I'll touch that up and color that in. All this burl veneer was all cracking and popping up. We'll see how pretty it looks now. See that?
Mm-hmm.
It's going to look really nice. Little areas here was missing. I patched that. And I had to patch that. And this is somebody else's patch. But all these cracks, all this loose veneer is nice and tight right now, and we're gonna color that little bit of stuff in and try to blend it the best we can as we go on. So yeah, so there you go. And now we just fix this over here. This is the other side. Come on over here, Sandy. This side over here needs to be, we've already done our repairs on this side. I just haven't quite sanded this side. You can see the difference, how it's kind of humped up here. And here's our little repair we just did right here. That looks pretty good, don't it?
Yeah.
And it's what, about 3 o'clock today, honey?
Yeah.
3 o'clock on Saturday, and we're gonna go home.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll stop and get a couple of steaks.
Okay.
So that should be good for this down in here. I can't really get a clamp to draw this, but these two are flush. And this one here needs to be drawn up, and that's nice and tight. And that looks like it's working good there. So, alrighty, well, hey, thank you. We'll talk to you later.